this maybe. 15 says identify the solid formed by rotating these things around an axis of symmetry. So 15, we have this line L. We're going to rotate this. Can't tell if it's a square or a rectangle, but we're going to go whirring it around that axis of symmetry. Okay? So as this rotates around, okay, it's going to look like this. And it might be hard to tell from my drawing, but what kind of a figure is that then? Anyone? Cylinder. Yeah. This is a cylinder. Because we're taking that rectangle or that square and it's going around and round and round and round and round. And the solid three-dimensional shape it would make would be the cylinder. Likewise, I have a triangle and it's going to get rotated around. And so what figure is that going to make if I go round and round and round and round? Anyone? Cone, yes. That will be a cone. What other questions do you have? Anyone? On the page before? What number?
5.
What number? 12 at the top? Is it circumference?
Yes.
Okay. So circumference is, they're telling us 56 pi, and they want the radius. Well, we give you two formulas for circumference. We give you one with pi times diameter, and we give you one with pi or 2 pi r. Since we want radius, we're going to use the one with the radius, okay? So here we go. Circumference, which I'm going to abbreviate to C, is 56 pi. They're telling me that. It's an equation pretty much. Now, circumference also is 2 pi r. Put that down in place of the C. Work down, okay? So C is 2 pi r, but C is also 56 pi, so keep that the same. I'm trying to solve and get r by itself. Right now, 2 and pi are being multiplied, right? So I want to do the opposite and divide. So whatever I do on one side of the equation, I have to do on the other. Divide by 2 pi. 2's cancel out, pi cancels out. R is equal to pi divided by pi. That's going to cancel out. And 56 divided by 2 is going to be 28. I don't know why I always have trouble with that. So my radius is 28. And since it's right, I could write units, but 28. It's a linear because it's the length from the center of the circle out to the edge. Okay. Other questions? Probability, surface area, volume, quadratics, quadrilaterals, factoring.
Yeah.
I mean, we don't have to, I think we pretty much covered it all except for maybe probability. We didn't get,
Is it this curved?
is it the final curved? No. Shouldn't, I don't think it will need to be. I don't think it'll need to be. And you can write whatever you want on this golden sheet. I am going to collect these today unless you have accommodations, and then you can keep it. So do you guys need some time to write on the gold sheet then? You can, but I'm collecting it so you have it. Yeah. Do we need some time to write on the golden sheet? Okay. All right. So we will stop for now. Write on your golden sheet. Textbooks. Guys, have I said that? I still don't have very many textbooks from you. Okay? You will not see me tomorrow. Don't clap. You have your second, fourth, and sixth finals tomorrow. So I will see you on Wednesday. So if you remember your textbook and you haven't brought it to me, bring it tomorrow. Okay? I was going to keep these gold sheets so you don't lose them and